I welcome you all on my YouTube channel, that is Interview Preparation with Dolly Kumari, and this channel is all about interview related topics. So if you are the one who is preparing for interview related to finance, accounting, taxation, or R2R, O2C, if you are preparing for any of these profile, these video will be really helpful to you. So please refer these videos. And before any further ado, I will start today topic that is very important, and that is W2 form. So what is W2 form? I will discuss this, and also I have made a video on 1099 form and 1040, that is our US tax based forms. So if you wanted to know about US taxation, and wanted to know what kind of return they file and how they file, so you can refer those video for your interview preparation also, and for your knowledge enhancement also. So I will discuss about W2 form. So in simple word, what is W2? So W2 is basically a form which is given by employer to their employees, and this in this W2 there is your salary which is written, your wages, and if any tips you have earned, bonuses you have earned, so all the details are given in your W2 form. And also if there is any taxes which has been applicable on you, like federal taxes that is governed by IRS, and state taxes that is governed by the state of US, and local taxes which is governed by the local, and there is also a taxes on the based of county, city, and there is also the contribution of social security and Medicare contribution. So all of these details is written in your W2 form, and this form you will be required while filing your returns, which we do in 1040. And you must have heard of 1040. If you haven't heard of it, please refer my video. I have also made a video on 1040. So the W2 is a wage and tax statement, is one of the most important tax document for employees in the US. If you are earning a salary, this form plays a key role in filing your income tax return. So as in India also we receive the salary slip, which we refer like we can see the breakdown of our salary, like what is our basic, what is our HRA. Same likewise the W2 is for the US citizen and who are based out of US, and they receive the W2, and in that W2 all the details, all the breakdown, all the bifurcation of their salary is given, and if there is any taxes, that is also mentioned. So what is a W2 form? So the W2 is issued by your employer to and to employees, and reports total wages earned, federal, state, and local taxes withheld, social security, and Medicare contribution. So these are the two types of contribution which is done, and other deduction, health insurance, retirement, etc. So these are the things which your W2 covers. Apart from these, there is also bonus, tips, like there are different components, but these are the major criteria and major type which is covered. And who issues it and when? So basically we file our taxes in April 1040, we file in April. So when the W2 will be issued, so it will be issued before April, because we have to show the taxes which has already been deducted by our employer. So employers must provide form W2 by January 31st each year. So employer has to provide 30 on 31st January each year, and it will cover the whole year starting from January 1 to December 31st of the previous year. And there are key section you should check carefully. Box 1, which contains taxable wages. Box 2, federal income tax withheld. And boxes 3 and 5 is for social security and Medicare wages. And boxes 4 and 6, social security and Medicare taxes withheld. Box 12 is benefit like retirement contribution. For that we have 401k. And box 16 to 18 has state and local wages and taxes. Why it is so important, like why W2 is so important? So it is very important for filing the return, to showing that we have already the taxes has already been incurred and paid. Mandatory for filing your federal and state tax return. Helps calculate tax refund or dues. Acts as a proof of your income for loan and visas and background check. So common mistake we should avoid is ignoring mismatch personal details. Like these are very um, very important details. You cannot write your name wrong or SSN number wrong, that is social security number. Not reporting multiple W2s for different employers. Filing taxes before receiving all W2 form. And lost or incorrect. So before these are the all the things which a W2 has should have. And this is the due date, like January 31st for receiving the W2 by the employer. And it covers our like from January 1 to December 31st of the previous year. So, and before closing this video, I would also wanted to show you the form, how the W2 looks, so you can have an idea about it. So before any further ado, I will just open the form and we will see together like what is the W2 form looks like. So I hope my screen is visible and you are able to see the W2 form. So basically the W2 form looks like this, and there is employer identification number which needs to be mentioned, that is EIN number. And there is employees social security number, and then here employer address, zip code. And here comes the wages, tips and other company compensation which needs to be mentioned. Federal income tax withheld, social security wages, social security tax withheld, Medicare wages and tips, Medicare taxes withheld, social security tips, allocated tips. And then non-qualified plans covers here, and dependent care benefit if there is any person which who is dependent on you and also qualify the term of dependent as per the IRS, so you can also mention that. And then here comes the employer's state ID number, state wages tips, state income tax, local wages and tips, tech local income tax. So this is how the W2 form looks like. I hope this video is helpful to all of you, and if you have any questions, please write to me. I will try to reply to all the questions. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you.